ChatGPT just launched some of the craziest updates that I've ever seen them release. For example, you can now build out real automations on ChatGPT, and ChatGPT just got a massive upgrade that allows it to build out way better websites than what you're currently used to.
ChatGPT just became your entire development team, and you don't need to write a single line of code.
These now unlock. So that first ChatGPT upgrade that we need to talk about is going to be Codex right here. If we click on this, it's going to bring you over to this separate website where I would strongly suggest that you download the app and connect it to your GitHub, because now when you open up Codex right here, they put massive upgrades in here. So let's actually go through each of these.
This new tool called Codex lets you build websites, apps, and even games just by telling it what you want. You download it, connect your GitHub, and start creating real projects that businesses will pay you $500 to $2,000 for. While everyone else is still Googling how to learn coding, you're already delivering finished products to clients.
First and foremost right here, you could go through and you can build a new project, or if you have an existing project, you can add it right here, and you can actually upload it here if you wanted to. In addition to that, when you connect this to your GitHub, it'll automatically have access to this. Now,
guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value education and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
You could get this to build out games for you. You could get this to create a one-page PDF that summarizes an app. You could get this to summarize last week's PRs. You could get this to do anything that you want. You can ask Codex anything.
But building is just the beginning. Wait until you see the superpowers you can plug into this thing.
Is now, if we come over to skills here, you can see that you can give Codex superpowers. For example, you can use the skill creator right here to create or update a skill. You literally just click on this right here, you click on try it, and boom, you could tell this what kind of skill you want to give to Codex, or we could see all the other tools that already exist. For example, Cloudflare deploy, Netlify deploy. We could see a bunch of different things here with this accessing Notion.
They're called skills, and they let you plug Codex into Cloudflare, Notion, Sora, spreadsheets, and dozens more tools instantly. You can even create your own custom skills or install ones other people built. This means you're not just building apps anymore. You're building apps that connect to real business tools. That's a 3K to 5 service right there.
And we could see that this can capture screenshots, playwright, security best practices. You could connect this to Sora, to spreadsheets. There are tons of different things that you are going to be able to connect this to, and all of these skills. And then, like I said, if you want to create your own skill and don't see one that you need right here, literally just use the skill creator right here that I already have installed. Or if you want to actually install other skills from OpenAI or something that you found online.
But here's where it gets dangerous, because now you can set all of this to run on autopilot.
In addition to that, the other upgrade is if we come over here to automations, you could see you can now schedule out automations, and we can explore all of the different automations here that are absolutely insane. And this is going to change the way that you work on websites and apps forever. In fact, this upgrade right here probably just killed like 50 different startups yesterday.
Codex now has built-in automations that scan for bugs, draft release notes, audit performance, and update files on a schedule you set. Daily, weekly, whatever you want. This one upgrade alone probably killed 50 startups overnight, because it does what entire teams used to get paid for. You set it up once and it runs forever.
Because we could see right here that you can have this scan recent commits, look at them for pugs. You could get this to draft weekly release notes. You could get this to create something. You could get this to compare recent changes to benchmarks and flag any regression early.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice. I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
You could get this to go through and update different files. You could get this to update changelogs. You could get this to audit performance. You can literally get this to do anything that you want. And we can see right here that you could choose what project that's going to do this on. You can change the prompt out right here.
But automations are only half the equation. Wait until you see what happens when ChatGPT connects to every app you already use.
In addition to that upgrade, the other upgrade that you're going to notice is that apps now shows at the top here. There's good reason for that, because if we click on apps now, they gave us access to a bunch more apps. For example, if we come over here, we could see that Airtable's in here, we could see that Figma's in here, we could see that Instacart's in here, we could see that Lovable's in here, we could see that Replic's in here, and essentially they're adding new apps now, and you could also add your own custom apps if you wanted to.
They added a new app section where you can connect ChatGPT to dozens of platforms out of the box. And if the app you need isn't there, you can add your own custom connection using MCP. This means you can now offer businesses a full AI-powered workflow, not just one tool, but everything connected. That's a $1K to $5K setup service that takes you an afternoon.
If you wanted to do that, you simply just come over here. You're going to click on settings. You're going to click on apps. You're going to click on add more right here. And this is going to bring up the window where you could add in your own apps via MCP. In order to actually do that though, you just want to make sure the developer mode is turned on right here. And then you're going to actually be able to create apps or connect this to whatever you want. And we can see right here, this is how you develop new apps. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're creating a new app. You're just creating a new app that ChatGPT can.
And just when you thought it couldn't get better, they completely rebuilt the one feature that makes you money the fastest.
Feature is absolutely incredible. Now, the next upgrade that we need to make sure that we're covering is if we come over to images right here, they just gave this a brand new overhaul. So we can see right here that we can now go through and we can create images, describe images, add photos, and manipulate them all from right here. In addition to that, we could try different styles on different images.
You can now create images, transform photos, apply art styles like Norman Rockwell, make cartoons, and build custom styles all from one place. Businesses need profile pics, product mockups, social media graphics, and they'll pay $25 to $100 per image for it. While designers are charging thousands and taking weeks, you're delivering in minutes using AI.
For example, if we look at Norman Rockwell right here, if we click on this now and then choose a new photo, I can actually come into my photos. For example, we're going to grab this headshot photo of me and we're going to see how this actually changes this. So we're going to put this here and then automatically this puts this prompt right here that is going to allow us to make an image in that style, which is pretty cool. Now, if we come over to ChatGPT and open up another window while it's going through and doing that, we click on images, we could see that this also now gives us tons of different.
These 5 upgrades just turned ChatGPT into a full business toolkit. The only question is, are you going to use it or let someone else take your clients? Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.